If you've been following me for a while, you may have seen where a few months ago I relocated my home office into our living room to give me more space for my business. And this space wasn't being used to its full potential, so I had hired a contractor to come in and build us a wall to separate both spaces. I shared this space in another video, but I'll link it down below in case you missed it. We gave the space a fresh coat of paint to lighten up the room, and we also installed new carpeting because it was time after, 12 years? After getting all of our furniture in the space, it seemed darker from closing up the wall, and having just one little window just wasn't doing the job. Great lighting can make a world of difference, and as you can see as I'm walking into our dining room, it's all lit up. Thanks to ASO Lighting for sponsoring this video. Let there be light. ASO has affordable lighting, and when I say affordable, you guys, I mean they are affordable, and I'll leave their link down below so you can check them out for yourself. This is their modern candlelight in gold. The top layer has 12 lights and the bottom layer has 6, and as you can see, we have more than enough light now, and we will be adding a dimmer very soon. This chandelier has high quality crystals. The glass tube has a beautiful amber transparent texture that definitely gives you that wow factor when you walk into the room. Now that the wall is up, I have to put something on it, right? I have a fun DIY project coming up soon, so be sure to have your notification bell on, or you can follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out. On to my Christmas decor. I am a firm believer that less is more, but not for Christmas. Pine cone garland is on the middle of the table with my favorite ice garland on top. In the center of the table, I added these candle orbs that you guys have seen a dozen times before, and they are from Home Goods. Champagne glitter Christmas trees are from Home Goods, and the mini trees were a flea market find that I got many years ago. It's a win-win when mixing old with the new. In case you're wondering where my chargers are from, I got them from ChristmasTree shops andThat over the summer, and I got them for a steal. They were $5.99 each. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering where my dining table set, curio cabinet, and rug are from, it's from American Signature Furniture. I'm not sure if it's still available, but my favorite features about this set is the built-in chandeliers and the lighting that's on it. Our table is 109 inches long. It seats 9 people comfortably. I have 2 settees on one side of the table, and 2 people can fit on each one. I get tons of questions about my drapes on Instagram and here, and they're from JCPenney, and I got them many years ago. As always, they were too short, so I added satin fabric to the bottom. 3 Christmas trees were added to this little cozy corner, 1 7-foot tree and 2 pencil trees. I didn't bother to add any tree trimmings because I thought it looked fine without it. Besides, the beautiful chandelier and the table decor was enough. My sweet little deer family was added along with a pair of lanterns. I added battery-operated candles and faux snow to the bottom for interest. I hope you guys are inspired to decorate for the holidays and bring a little joy into your life. I will leave a clickable link to ASO Lighting for your shopping convenience. Keep your head up and stay strong, and I want to thank you all for watching.